Hello. No one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey Victor, Happy New Year, bro. I bet this will be another insane year with crazy adventures. Now actually, I wanted to know what your plans and goals are for 2018. So just call me back if you can.
So I set myself 3 goals for 2018. The first goal was graduating from high school.
Finally, but by no means last, ladies and gentlemen, Victor Van Gogh.
And the 2 other goals were going to Tomorrowland, which was like one of my biggest dreams, and skydiving. And skydiving, I did it like 2 days before the end of the year, and that was like the best experience I ever had in my entire life.